case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
When Peggy Coleman attended a company-sponsored picnic, she didn't anticipate that a festive occasion would end in a legal battle. Coleman, an employee with McDonald's, sustained injuries during an obstacle course at a function hosted by the Ramada Hotel Operating Company. These injuries led Coleman to file a personal injury lawsuit against Ramada, thrusting both parties into a legal tussle that would unroll in the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit. The incident occurred at a recreational event known as a mini-Olympics. Coleman voluntarily participated in the obstacle course, which unfortunately resulted in injuries of an undisclosed nature. Following the incident, Coleman advanced to the claim that Ramada should have issued warnings about the inherent risks of such physical activities. She also raised concerns about the design of the obstacle course, attributing her accident partially to potential misjudgments on Ramada's part. In forming its judgment, the district court favored Ramada. The court clarified that as per Illinois law, property owners are under no obligation to warn of obvious and open risks, and Ramada was no exception. Further, it contested Coleman's allegation regarding her unawareness of the risk, arguing that her participation was voluntary and therefore an assumption of risk was implicit. Undeterred, Coleman appealed this decision, but the court stood its ground. The assumption of risk, it declared, remained effective in a contractual relationship even in the absence of an explicit agreement. By participating in the mini-Olympics, Coleman established herself as a business invitee at Ramada, and hence the assumption of risk applied. The court thus advocated its stance, concluding that Coleman's voluntary participation in the activity negated the relevance of any supposed misjudgments on Ramada's part in designing the course. It was Coleman's free and informed decision to involve herself in the obstacle course that defined the application of the primary implied assumption of risk. This principle, as per the court, served as a bulwark protecting Ramada from liability. Thus, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit affirmed the district court's decision. Denying Coleman the leave to amend her complaint, the court deemed her agreement to participate as an affirmation of the risks inherent in the activity, thereby exempting Ramada from any liability for her injuries. In reconciling individual responsibility and corporate liability, the case marked a significant precedent for personal injury suits across Illinois.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.